Okay, wanted to make a short video here because this is driving me nuts. Everyone says the EVAP purge solenoid on a PT Cruiser is driver's side down here somewhere. Well, that's only true if it's non-turbo. So if you got a turbo like me, it's actually on the passenger side here. I'll show it installed here in a second. Okay, again, quick recap. There's the EVAP down there, passenger side, right on top of the engine. And what I did, first thing was I took this hose off of the coolant recovery tank to get a little access. Popped the electrical connector off. And then right on the side of it, down there is a clip that it snaps into. So before you take the hoses off, unclip it and pull it up. There's enough flex in the hoses to do that. Remove the hoses, put the hose on the new one, snap the new one in, which is kind of tricky to get lined up, but it's possible. Reconnect the wires, put the coolant hose back on, and you're good to go.